Got questions about your Geico policy? Let's dive in and tackle updating and fixing it quickly. Step 1. Head to the Geico website. You can find this by searching Geico in your web browser or by typing in the address directly. Once there, look for the login option, usually in the top right corner. Now, enter your username and password to log into your account. If you've forgotten your login details, there will likely be a forgot username or forgot password link to help you recover them. Be sure to have the email associated with your account ready for this case. After logging in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Find the section labeled Policy Details. This will likely show a summary of your current coverage. It often includes a variety of options. This is where you can begin to change or update your policy. Start the process by searching for a Make a Change or Policy Updates section of your account. Sometimes you may be prompted to chat with a virtual assistant to make the changes for you. These sections will provide a list of common actions you can take. This is where you can possibly modify your policy. If you need to add a driver, change your address, or adjust your coverage, you'll likely find an option that fits for more complicated adjustments or issues not listed. You might need to contact a Geico representative. Look for a Contact Us link or phone number on the page. If you have to contact Geico, their phone number is quite easy to find. They're usually very helpful. Have your policy number ready to speed up the process. Explain the changes you want to make or the issue you want to resolve. Finally, always review your policy details online or in a document sent to you to confirm that the changes have been made correctly. Your policy is active and you can drive without worrying. And that's it. You've now successfully updated or fixed something with your Geico policy. Remember to periodically review your policy to ensure everything is accurate and up to date.